Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a credit card from Amazon. We will also put our Amazon shop link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, enter your email or mobile phone number. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Account and Lists at the upper right part of the page. Click on Account and Lists. On this page, you will see an option for your payments. Click on Your Payments. Here, you will see the list of your cards and accounts. Click on the card you wish to remove. Then under the card you selected, you will see an option for Edit. Click on Edit. On the pop-up window, you will see an option that says Remove from Wallet. Click on Remove from Wallet. Lastly, to confirm, click on the Remove button. That's how you remove a credit card from Amazon. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.